You know that familiar, flat, 2D grid you've relied on to get from point A to point B for, well, pretty much forever? Yeah, it is officially a thing of the past. Welcome to this explainer. Google Maps just got a massive, multi-dimensional upgrade packed with 5 incredible new AI features. And today, we're going to break down exactly how this is completely revolutionizing the way you navigate the world. Think about it for a second. What if your map was actually alive? Imagine you're not just staring down at some static drawing on your phone, but you're actually stepping right inside your screen. Today, we're taking a bit of an explorer's journey to see how this everyday tech has evolved into a living, breathing digital twin of the real world. Because honestly, the 2D map as we knew it is dead. It has entirely transformed from a basic, static utility into this highly advanced, multidimensional AI companion. Okay, let's dive right into this and see exactly how these updates are rewriting the rules of exploration. Part 1, the AI map revolution. Every great trip begins with a plan, right? An Immersive View changes absolutely everything about how we do that. Instead of just swiping through a bunch of static, disconnected photos, you can now virtually fly over a city. You can swoop down its streets and explore these stunning 3D global environments as if you were actually standing right there on the pavement. You can even peek inside venues, like restaurants and museums, before you ever arrive. Plus, it overlays crucial info right onto the 3D model. You check the weather, see live traffic, and my favorite part, you can use this incredible time slider to see how a neighborhood's vibe totally shifts throughout the day. You can literally see what a specific cafe looks like at sunset before you even pack your bags. Now, the underlying technology making all this lifelike 3D magic possible is called Neural Radiance Fields, or NeRF for short. It's an incredibly advanced AI process that takes regular, flat photos and transforms them into insanely detailed 3D representations. The AI basically crunches billions, literally billions, of street view and aerial images that have been accumulated over the years to build this digital twin of reality. And it doesn't just guess, it captures the exact lighting, the actual material textures of the buildings, and even the super complex background elements of a place. And hey, this cinematic feature isn't just some futuristic concept. It's rolling out right now. You can start your immersive exploration today in major global hubs like London, LA, New York, San Francisco, and Tokyo, with a ton more cities coming very soon. Moving on to part 2, your personalized AI concierge. Remember the old way of searching? It was just basic text matching based on keywords. You typed food, you got a giant generic list. But the new AI search, it acts way more like a tailored concierge. It actually analyzes your specific location, your personal search history, and your overall context. And this brilliantly illustrates how AI sifts through millions of photos and user reviews to bring you highly relevant suggestions tailored precisely to what you actually like. We've all been there, right? You're traveling, you're starving, and you're totally indecisive about dinner. Say you're looking for that perfect vegan pizza place. The AI doesn't just hand you a random list of pizzerias, it curates specific options that align perfectly with your exact taste and budget. It gives you the detailed menus, the ingredient lists, opening hours, prices, the whole shebang. It completely removes the guesswork from your travel experience. Part 3, smarter driving and EV charging. So your plans are set and your dinner spot is picked out. Once we hit the road, your map stops being just a simple routing tool and becomes your active, real-time AI co-pilot. It does this in 3 key ways. First up, lane guidance. This intelligently keeps you in the correct lane so you finally stop missing those incredibly stressful, tricky exits. Second, it utilizes massive amounts of data. We're talking processing GPS signals, satellite imagery, and live user feedback all at once to give you incredibly accurate real-time traffic updates to dodge delays. And third, Live View uses augmented reality to actually overlay directions directly onto your camera view. It makes navigating complex intersections so intuitive because it seamlessly merges digital directions right onto your physical view of the road. Now, if you drive an electric vehicle, this next bit of data aggregation is an absolute game changer. The AI now provides deeply detailed EV charging station insights. It shows you exactly how many charging ports are there, the types of ports, charging speeds, pricing, and crucially, real-time availability. It can even predict demand. So you can easily find an open station, plug in, and use the insights on nearby amenities to grab a coffee or hit the restroom while you efficiently recharge. Which brings us to part 4, augmented reality in your pocket. All right, you've parked the car and you're walking the city streets. This brings us to the absolute magic of a feature called Lens in Maps.
Guys, this feature is wild. It literally transforms your camera view into an interactive, augmented reality display. You just point your phone at a restaurant, and instantly AI and AR overlays pop up with its name, ratings, and the menu. You can even make reservations or order food directly from that camera view. Point it at a landmark, and you discover its history and trivia right there on your screen. But the absolute best part, it completely eliminates travel anxiety when you're exploring abroad because it can translate foreign signs, menus, and labels in real time as you simply look at them through your lens.
So the crucial point here is that it's literally like having a personal tour guide right there in your pocket. This technology takes the entire physical world and tailors it specifically to your personal needs and preferences as you physically walk through it. Finally, part 5, the ultimate intelligent companion. Think about the journey we just took. We've seen how Immersive View builds a stunning 3D world, how AI search acts as your personalized concierge, how enhanced navigation and EV data serve as an ultra-smart co-pilot, and how Lens brings augmented reality right to your fingertips. Together, these 5 features have completely revolutionized how we explore. Maps is really no longer just a navigation app, it's a deeply intelligent companion. Which leaves us with one pretty wild thought. If your map already knows the world better than you do, where exactly will it take you next? Our relationship with localized AI is really just beginning, and the world is literally at your fingertips in ways we could only dream of just a few years ago. Thank you so much for joining me on this explorer's journey and diving into this explainer. Keep exploring out there, and I'll see you next time.